Hello everyone, this is Veena Gandhi from Department of BCA Science. In this video you will learn new topic Strings in C Part 1. The topics covered in this video are what do you mean by string literals, how to declare string and how to initialize the strings, string input and output functions, then string manipulating functions, example of C programs on string functions and assignment. Now what is a string literal? It is also known as string constant. It is a sequence of characters that enclosed in double quotes and ended by null character. It is \0. Now here double quotes are not part of the string. For example, in double quotes Pune, for example in double quotes 1, 2, 3, 4, empty string, that is null string, which only contains the \0. Then in double quotes single character A, in double quotes you can say sentence all the best. They are the example of the string literals. Now in C language, string literals are stored as array of characters terminated by null byte or null character. A null byte is a char having ASCII value 0 and shown as \0. Escape sequence is \0. It indicates the end of the string. Now string literal in double quotes A is different from character constant enclosed in single quotes A. In string literal there are two characters A and \0 is null byte stored at the end. So string literal and character constant both are different. An empty string consists only null byte and is considered to have length 0 because terminating null byte is not counted while finding the string length. Now string literals may contain any characters from the C character set and including escape sequence like \n, \t, etc. Next topic, string variable declaration. Now to create a string variable we need to declare a character array with sufficient size to hold all the characters of a string including null byte or null character. Now this string variable store the string literals. Syntax: char string name in square bracket to specify the size. So string is nothing but character array. For example, char city of 30, message of 80 characters, means 80 is the length of the string message. A string also can be declared using pointer. So char asterisk p, means p is a pointer variable which stores the address of another string variable. Now how to initialize the string variable? There are various ways to initialize the string variable. First, char greeting is the string name or array name having size 6. And you can initialize the string as a array of characters. So in single quotes HELLO and at the end you must give \0 terminating character or null byte as a \0. And in second method we declare a greeting 6 as a character array and then you initialize with the string constant or string literal, that is in double quotes hello. Now while giving initial size, you should always give the extra one size to store the null characters. If the string of length is hello is 5 characters, and we should add one character more to store the null byte. So string length should be string array size should be of 6 characters. So in general, to store n characters of string, we should create the array of n plus 1 size. Now third way of initializing the string, char greeting. Here we are not specifying the size of the array and we initializing with the hello string literal. Now in above initialization, the compiler will automatically add the null character at the end. Now here greeting is the name of the array which is a constant pointer. So we always point to the first character, first element of the array, that is h. Now fourth way you can initialize the string using pointer also. So char asterisk ptr equal to Chennai. So in pointer form, address of string constant is assigned to the pointer variable. This is the memory representation of a strings. Now in the first figure, how character array, whose string is stored in a character array ending with null byte. So here hello is a string ending with null byte, null character \0. So it is stored, you can see an address of the character array and index here start from 0. So here \0 is stored at the end of the string in the memory also. Now here you can see here pointer variable which initialized with the string Chennai. So pointer variable points to first character of the string Chennai. So it contains the address 200 here. Address Chennai string starts at a 200 location. So it contains the address of the first element, that is first character, that is C. String input and output functions. Now string can be accepted or displayed by using the functions scanf and printf in getS and putS. We have already seen this function in basic C programming course. You can watch that video for accepting string and for displaying the strings. Now in this video we will focus on two new functions, scanf and sprintf. Now scanf is similar to scanf function except that input is read from the string S instead of reading it from the keyboard. So syntax scanf, you can specify the string name, string array string or string pointer to string, and you can specify a format specifier, and then third is ampersand argument 1, argument 2 is variable list here. So it reads the values from the character array and store each value into variables of matching data type by specifying the matching format specifier. Means whatever the values stored in character array are matched with this format specifier, and the matching values are stored into the argument 1, argument 2 up to argument n. Our next function is sprintf function. It is equivalent to printf except that output is stored in the array instead of displaying on the screen. So sprintf, again character array here, a character pointer to pointer S, then format specifier here, and then argument 1, argument 2, like that. So it reads the whether multiple values specified with their matching format specifiers and store this value into character array. So the values of argument 1, argument 2 match with the format specifier and store into the array instead of displaying on the screen. Example of scanf and sprintf. Here in the main function, I have declared an array of 80 characters. Then I have initialized the data with the values $23.45 and then 10, and then variable character variable DOL, float price, and then your units num1, num2 having value 1 and 2 of integer type. Now your sprintf array %d num1 comma num2. This value of num1 comma num2 are stored into array as a string. It will store in array. It will not display on the screen. It will display 12. It will store 12 value into the array. If you say putS array, it will display 12. Now next scanf data %c, %f, %d, and then variable address DOL, price and unit. Now data contains what? $20. The dollar is matched with %c and stored in a variable DOL. Then %f matched with this 23.45 and stored in a price. Then this 10 is matched with %d and stored in units. Here is a space. After 45 here is a space. So %d matched with this 10 and stored in a unit. So if you print these values on the screen, it will show $, then 23.45 and then 10. So instead of uh, this string contains the values. These values are tokenized and stored into the variables DOL, price and units according to the format specifier. String functions. C language provides set of predefined or built-in functions for handling the string values of strings called as string handling function. The string handling functions are defined in a header file called as string.h. So whenever we want to use any string function, we must include the header file called string.h. Now string manipulating functions. In this we will see the functions for finding string length, string copy, concat two strings like that. So first function is strlen. It accepts the string, returns the integer value. It finds the length of the strings. Second function strcpy. It accepts two strings here, s1 char star s1 and char star s2. So string s2 is copied into s1 and the value of s1 is returned. Next strncpy. It accepts string s1, string s2 and n characters. Means if we want to copy only n characters of string s2 into s1, then we can use this function strncpy. So it copies at most n characters of the string s2 into character array s1 and it's string s1 and the value of s1 is returned. Next is strcat function char star s1 comma char star s2. It accepts two strings and it appends the string s2 at the end of string s1. So append string s2 into the array s1 and the first character of s2 overrides the terminating null character of s1. So the value of s1 is returned. Next function strncat. It accepts string s1, string s2 and then n character. Means it copies the at most n characters of s2 at the end of s1, at the string of s1. So it appends at most n character of string s2 into s1. The first character of s2 overrides the terminating null character of s1. So the value of s1 is returned. Let us see programs on this function. In this program, I have shown how to use strlen, strcpy, strcat functions. Now first include the header file stdio.h. After that include the header file string.h because we are using string function, so we must include the string.h. In the main function, I have declared three strings str1, str2, str3 initialized with the value. str1 initialized with the hello, str2 capital hello and str3 with welcome. Now first I want to find string length. So printf \n string length of %s equal to %ld comma str1 and here string length of str1. So we use the function string length strlen to find the string length. So you can see the output here, string length of hello equal to 5. Now next I want to copy string str2 into str1. So strcpy comma str1 comma str2. str2 is a source and str1 is a destination or target string, you can say. So strcpy comma str1 comma str2 means string str2 is copied into string str1. So you can see here str1 is a capital hello here. After that strncpy means it accepts three parameters, string 1, string 2 and size. How many characters we want to copy. So strncpy str1 comma str3 comma and then two characters means we want to copy at most two characters of str3 into str1. So you can see in output str3 contains welcome string and first two characters are we. So here we is copied and remaining character of str1 will be as it is. Our next function is string concat strcat. It appends the second string at the end of the first string. So strcat str1 comma str2. So it appends the string to str2 at the end of the what string 1. So string 1 is here hello. After copying, after the end of this string, hello is copied. Now after that, strncat. So strncat str1 comma str3 comma 2 means at the most two character of str3 will be appended at the end of the str1. So printf str1 is percentage str1. So you can see here in output, hello is the str1. At the end we copy the what two characters we of welcome. Now next, string comparing functions. Now first function strcmp, it accepts two strings, so constant k star s1 and k star s2. Now this function compares the string s1 with the string s2. If both the strings are equal, it returns 0 value. If the string s1 is less than string s2, it returns the negative value. If the string s1 is greater than string s2, it gives the positive value more than 0. Here we are not comparing length of a string. Here we are comparing the ASCII values of the string. Now this function is a string case sensitive. Means here capital A and small a are both are different. So here we are comparing both the strings by comparing the ASCII values, not by length. A second function strncmp, it accepts again first string k star st1, k star s2, and then n number of characters, n size n. This function compares up to n characters of the string s1 to string s2. Now this function returns 0 value if it matches with if the first n character match with the s2, then it returns the 0 value. If it returns the less than 0 value if it does not match the n characters, and if the string s1 having greater than string s2, it returns the positive value. Next function is stricmp. It accepts two strings k star s1 and k star s2. Now this I indicates case insensitive. Means it compares the string s1 with the string s2 without case sensitivity. Means capital A, small a are here equal. If both the strings are equal, it returns 0 value. The string s1 is less than string s2. By comparing the ASCII value, it returns the negative value, less than 0. If string s1 is greater than string s2, it returns the positive value. Let us see how to use string compare functions. Here I am using Turbo C++ compiler because stricmp function does not work on online GCC compiler. So here, first include the header file stdio.h file, then include the string.h, then include the conny.h for clear screen function. In main function, I have defined 4 strings str1 to str2, str3 and str4. str1 initialized with the hello, str2 with capital hello, str3 with welcome, and str4 with again hello. Then declare the n of type integer. Then clear screen function is called to clear the screen. Now first I want to compare string 1 with the string 2. A string compare function compares by ASCII value, not by length. So if the first string is equal to second string, return 0 value. If the first string is less than second string by ASCII value, then it is return the negative value. And if str1 is greater than str2 by comparing the ASCII values, it gives the positive. Let us see this result here. If n greater than 0, it will print that percent s greater than percent s str1 comma str2. So I am comparing str1 contains here hello, but h is capital here, and here str2 is contain capital hello. H and H is matching, so it will go next. Compare E, small e and capital E. A small e having ASCII value more than the capital E, so it will print that str1 is greater than str2. You can see output here. See, first hello is greater than hello, capital hello, because small e having ASCII value more than capital E. Now second, strcmp compare with str4. strcmp in that str1 is compared with str4. Now str4 contains hello, so both the strings are equal. So if I am comparing if n equal to 0, then strings are equal. So you can see the output. Second, string hello is equal to string hello. Now next, strcmp str1 comma str3. str3 contains welcome, str1 contains hello. So h and w is compared. So h having ASCII value less than the w. So if n is less than 0, then it will print that hello is less than welcome. So you can see in the output, hello is less than the welcome. Now next, see how to use strncmp function. strncmp str1 comma str2. I am comparing only one character of both the strings. So str2 contains capital hello, str1 contains capital H with hello. So if n equal to 0, it will print only one character is equal, matching with the string 2. You can see in output, only one character of hello is matching with the capital hello. Now next function, stricmp, it compares the string without case sensitivity, means capital hello and small hello are equal in this. In strcmp, capital hello and capital small hello are different, but in stricmp, capital hello and small hello are equal. So if n equal to 0, it will print both the strings are equal. So you can see in output, small hello is equal to capital hello. Now this function is supported only under Turbo C compiler. This function does not work on online TCC compile, strcmpi or stricmp. Let us see assignment. Short question. Define a string literal. Second, in which header file string functions are stored. And long questions. How to declare and initialize string in a C. Explain the string manipulating functions with example. Explain string comparing functions with example. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.